G'day. Just got a short video today. The weather outside is horrendous today. No motorbike riding, too windy and wet. Good complaint though for all the crops and the farmers, keep them all happy. So I'm just stuffing around inside the workshop and I've got something that's turned up today in the mail. So check it out. Metallic tool cart. Pretty chuffed to have this. I'm useless for when I'm working on something, sitting my tools just anywhere and everywhere, and then I can't find them. So I'm going to unbox this and see what it looks like. And check out how many nuts and surely I don't have to use all them. I'm hoping at least half of them are spares. It's a lot of nuts and bolts just for this thing. Oh well. There's no instructions. It's alright, I don't need instructions. Surely this can't be too hard. Alright, the wheels are on. Have a look. Very, very exciting. Have a look. Well, that's disappointing. I don't know if you can see there. Away from some reflection. Look, it's got a scratch on it and it's bent. Actually, no, wrong end, sorry. Wrong end, my bad. There you go. Look, scratched. Scratched. And a bent. Disappointed. Oh well, it's just a tool trolley. We'll just straighten that out, put it on, and just won't even look at that. Don't even look at it. Wow. Look at it. Getting there. Another tray on, only one more tray, and my handle, and the other screwdriver holder thing. There it is, completed. The tool cart of dreams. Very happy with it. I'm a little bit disappointed. I thought it'd be a lot bigger. Geez, that's a sentence you never want to hear from a woman, is it? Anyway. Yeah, this is going to be very, very handy for me. I'm absolutely useless with the tools in the workshop working on stuff. I put in places and can't remember where I put it. And now this is going to be just awesome. Like, I'm that bad. Look, I'll show you a reenactment what I'm like. Spanner. Not there. Oh, there it is. Now where's my ice cream container? Not that one, my clean one. Oh, there it is. Where's that pony? Where did I put that pony? Oh, there it is. Where's me hammer? Where is that damn hammer? There it is. But now it's all good. We got the toolbox of dreams. It's going to be like, where's my 11mm? Ha! Toolbox of dreams. Where's me hammer? Toolbox of dreams. Where's me shoe? Toolbox of dreams. Okay, hope you enjoyed today's video, just goofing off in the shed, putting this tool cart together. It will be handy. So yeah, I'm looking forward to actually, next time I'm stuffing around in the shed here, to actually use this toolbox of dreams. Gonna give a shout out today to Tyson, my son. G'day mate, stay golden. If you'd like a shout out in one of my videos, throw a comment in on this video, and I'll give you a shout out and say some stupid comment or phrase from a movie to you. So that'd be something exciting to do. But hope you've enjoyed today's very exciting video of the Toolbox of Dreams. Yeah, thanks for watching. Catch ya. How good is that? That's awesome.